Hi, my name is Sandra, and this is the Food Calculator, a project for ABE 205 at the University of Arizona. Accompanying me is Crystal and Jose. So the purpose of this project is to give you some nutritional information of the food you ate that day. It also will give you some information such as body mass index. I'm going to pass it on to Crystal, who will be explaining a little bit more about how the program works.
So this is the starting page of our program, and first of all you enter in your name and press begin, and this just tells you to enter in the food that you've eaten on a given day. But first you would click this button, which will open up a video link, and I'm going to pass on to Jose, who's going to go through the steps described in the video.
Okay, so we're just going to close the video and go on through the steps. So you're going to open, first of all, a web browser. And you're going to navigate to calorieking.com. In this website, you're going to go to the search bar and search for whichever food you had for that day. So we'll use steak as an example. So there are many different selections you can pick. Try to pick the one that best fits to whatever you consumed that day. So we'll just go with the first one. So in this section, another important thing is the serving size. You want to try to get that as close as possible to whatever you ate that day. So we'll just go with this. And then this nutrition facts data is the one you're going to be transferring to the sheet. So right here, we already have it. You can see calories are 320, fat is 11.2, and so on for steak. So this is what you're going to do for all the foods you consumed that day. So at the end, the sheet will look something like this, and then you will click on the calculate button. And I'm going to pass you on to Crystal, and she'll explain the rest of the project.
So once you click the calculate button, a form will pop up, and it wants you to enter in additional information, which will personalize the results. And when you click accept, our program calculates the body mass index and tells you your weight status. And now I'm going to pass it on to Sandra, who's going to explain the graphs.
So as you can see on the top left corner is the information you listed. And for the top graph, it describes the daily values that you listed based on the table you did previously. So it'll just give you the amounts in either grams, milligrams. And if you scroll down, you can see the second chart shows your recommended daily values. So this graph will change according to the amount of calories you consume that day to closely match what you should be eating or recommended daily values. So this one was closer to 2,000, which shows the recommended daily values if you want to be at a 2,000 calorie diet. So this is how the charts work. So now we just want to say thank you for your time, and we hope you enjoyed this video.